Hello, guys. Our conversation today is about working abroad. I know so many of you have been having a dream of going to work abroad and maybe having a family. Just like me personally, I've been having a dream of working there and maybe having a family over there. It's a dream. So today we're having Dr. Bharath in the house so he can tell us more about working abroad, the experience, the advantages and disadvantages. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Debbie Kiboma and today's conversation is about working abroad. Welcome back.
Thank you. Thank you all.
Thank you so much. I know many people, mostly like us youths, we usually want to work abroad.
Yes.
Like for example, let's say like me, I have a dream of going abroad in USA to work there and maybe have a family over there, God willing. We like to know about the disadvantages and advantages of working abroad.
Yeah, working abroad is nothing different than what if you are truly into the work what you enjoy. Working abroad should not be not so much different than working in your native place.
Okay.
Having said that, it depends upon the circumstances in which you go abroad. Okay.
Yes.
The kind of work you are pursuing and where your passion lies. Okay. To tell you my story, I never actually even thought of working abroad.
Okay.
You see,
Yes.
my passion has always been medicine.
Okay.
Okay. In fact, I enjoy seeing patients.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
But the reason why I had to move abroad was it's more of a psychological in nature rather than it's a choice rather than a choice.
Okay.
I just went with the circumstances. Moved abroad. That was my first. I went to many countries for pursuing my studies. Actually,
Okay.
I've been to Singapore. I've been to Malaysia. I've been to UK. All these places, but actually I started working abroad for the first time. I mean, only for the sake of work in Congo actually.
Okay.
When I moved abroad, my condition was in such a way that I needed change of place. So that's the reason why I moved abroad. See, so it was not a choice for me. It was more of a circumstantial thing.
Was it something that you dreamt of you going to study abroad, or it just came?
I just went with the circumstances. It's not that I made a choice, what you call consciously.
Okay.
Yeah.
With some people, it's a dream of going to study abroad, and sometimes maybe your parent has got money and he wants you to go and study abroad, and sometimes maybe you won a green card or a lottery. What was the experience when you first went abroad on your first time?
Nothing much actually. I wanted to learn, so I did couple of fellowships in medicine, basically. In one in diabetology, one in cardiology.
Okay.
So both of them were from Far East, that is in Singapore and Malaysia. I got some couple of fellowships, and of course my father was rich, so he was able to afford my stay there.
Yeah.
And I did pursue my diplomas there, and I got benefited out of that. But as far as working in right now in Kenya is concerned, it was more of a passion than anything else.
Okay.
I worked in Eldoret before moving to Kisii,
Okay.
and I liked Kenya very much.
Okay.
And Kenyan people are very friendly, especially towards we Indians. And one more thing is that I thought my expertise can definitely make a difference in, what you call healthcare.
Okay.
So when I finished my assignment in Eldoret, I again wanted to come back to Kenya only.
Okay.
Luckily, I got an assignment in Kisii,
Okay.
so I took it. That's all. Actually, I got another assignment in Oman also. I was actually about to move to Oman, but I like
Oman.
yeah, Oman.
Okay.
That's a Middle East country.
Yeah.
I actually got an assignment in Oman before I got an opportunity in Kenya.
Okay.
But when I got the opportunity in Kenya, I preferred to come to Kenya because I got used to Kenya.
Yeah.
And I like Kenya very much, so I came to Kenya.
And our people are so nice.
Yeah,
They're so friendly.
Kenyans
It's
are good.
true.
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe what about the kissing culture?
Yes, learning about Kenyan culture, especially in relation to Kisii, is very important for me.
Okay.
And I am slowly learning it, you see.
Yeah.
say that I'm more or less integrated into the society of TC.
Yeah.
Even though I'm not very fluent with the language,
Okay.
I do appreciate the culture of the people over here, and it is actually very important for me professionally also to succeed. You see, unless you understand the people where you are living,
Yeah.
you will not be able to succeed. That is first thing. And second thing, I don't do it only for the sake of success,
Okay.
but as I told you, medicine is my passion.
Yeah.
If I want to do something meaningful, I have to learn every aspect of it.
It's
You see.
true.
Yeah.
They usually there's this saying that when you go to Rome, you do what the Romans
Yes. Yeah.
do.
Be a Roman in Rome. Yeah.
Yeah. You would like to learn the culture of Kisii, you learn how the people there behave so that you can cope up with them when you work
Yes.
there. And you can find yourself work easier. You can find that the work there is easier for you.
In fact, I can even go to the extent of saying that now Kenya has become an adapted country for me.
Okay.
Even though India is the country from where I hail,
Yeah.
but Kenya I treat it as my adapted country.
Okay. What about the disadvantages of being abroad so far away from home? Do you miss home? Is there homesick? You feel like you miss your culture and your people?
Yes, it does happen sometimes, but I think maybe I got used to it. One,
Okay.
and second thing is that my family does visit me once in a while.
Yeah.
In fact, they are now here in
Okay.
Kisii.
Mhm.
They are with me. They have
Okay.
reached some couple of days back. Of
Okay.
course, I do miss my family, especially my wife and daughter, a lot.
Yeah.
That is always there.
Mhm.
Having said that, I'm so busy and focused on my work
Okay.
that it doesn't inhibit me much. That much I can say.
What if you're given an opportunity, apart from work, you're given an opportunity to visit home twice a year? Will you be happy visiting home twice a year, rather once a year or once in 2 years?
I love visiting my home,
Okay.
but now I'm so much focused, and my work has so become so busy that it's more than 2 years since I visited India.
Okay. For the few months or for the years that you've been staying in Kenya or in Kisii, you said you were in Eldoret sometimes back. I know you said that you've been here in Kenya and in Eldoret and now in Kisii. Have you learned any language in Eldoret? Maybe the Kalenjin
No,
language, the
not
Ekegusi and Kiswahili.
Kiswahili. I picked up some words.
Okay.
That much I can say. I'm actually searching for a good Swahili teacher who can
Okay.
teach me early in the morning.
Okay.
Probably this month I'm going to recruit. I mean, coming from October, I'm
Okay.
going to recruit one for myself, so
Okay.
that I can become fluent in Swahili. Of course, learning the local language is very important.
Okay.
In fact, learning any language is good. You see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By the way, there's an Indian
Mm.
who knows how to speak my mother language so well, and he knows how to speak it more than I speak.
That's good. You
He
see.
speaks it so fluently. So you see, it's interesting. Yeah, it's interesting and nice to learn other people's languages.
Yes, it's always good to learn languages. Actually, learning language will actually expand your brain.
Yeah. What will you tell someone who is interested in going abroad to work there or to start a family or to study there?
Don't go for the sake of going there. That's what I always tell. You have to really have passion. Okay, when you're going abroad, you have to go with some kind of passion, where you enjoy your work, where you enjoy your surroundings.
Yeah.
You see, every friend of mine. In fact, what happens is, for many people, when they think of coming to Africa, they think that it is not safe.
Yeah.
Maybe it is they are under the very underdeveloped countries. Maybe you will not get facilities. This kind of botherations they have. But I always tell them Kenya is a beautiful country. You'll enjoy a lot. So because I have seen Kenya, you see,
Yeah.
Kenya is really a beautiful country. It's full of nature. It's like living in the lap of nature.
Yeah.
So I love that very much about it. And second thing, when it comes to my line of work, I enjoy working here because I'm a physician.
Yeah.
Basically, I'm trying to be a physician.
Okay.
On the top of that, yes, I specialize in clinical cardiology. That's a different story.
Yeah.
But at heart, I'm a physician. As a physician, I would like to see all the cases.
Yeah.
In countries like India, where the medical facilities are really developed, practicing a physician practice is a little difficult because it is highly competitive. To become a what you call full-fledged physician. I have to work under somebody for maybe 10 years, 15 years, something like that.
Yeah.
Because the practice in India has become too much specialized.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whereas in Kenya, I'm enjoying a lot because I am
Okay.
taking handling cases independently.
Yeah.
And I have got very good success rate. The reason why that is because I am seeing more cases.
Okay.
Okay, maybe at my stage in India, I may not be an independent consultant.
Okay.
Maybe I'll be a junior consultant or an associate consultant.
Yeah.
Because there's too much of competition in India.
Okay.
But coming to Kenya, I have become an independent consultant.
Yeah.
And I'm able to handle cases on my own.
Yeah.
And I'm able to satisfy many more people.
Okay.
And I'm able to make many people happy.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And on the top of that, I'm also making decent money, which is not bad. You see,
Okay.
so I do have work satisfaction when working in PC. You see,
Okay.
so at the end of the day, what matters a lot is whether you enjoy the work you are doing,
Yeah.
whether your passions are getting fulfilled or not. That's what matters.
Okay.
Whether it is Kenya, whether it is USA, whether it is India,
Yeah.
it doesn't really matter.
Okay.
So that's what is my experience tells me.
Okay. Thank you so much for being here today. Thank you for watching. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. If you want to continue learning more about anything else that you would like to, about health, about fashion and designing that is going to come in future, thank you so much. Remember to like, subscribe, and share to your friends.
Like, share, subscribe.
Thank you.